Okay. Now Samantha just crashed the Saturn. Smashed the whole front end on it, blew out the airbags. And then she got her driver's license 3 days later. And then she wants to use my van. I said, what? Yeah, alright, And then, oh, it's only down the street. I said, yeah, anything can happen. Well, she come back. Yeah, doesn't happen. See? There's my van. She parked it in front of my damn window over here so I can't see out of it. So I'm fixing to come out here and move it. And we had a little bit of rain and stuff, and I figured, you know, well, I looked over at this TV I was going to throw away. Where's that? Right there. Okay, I was going to throw it away, but it was sitting up over there and sitting upright, and I said, no. The wind didn't blow that big ass TV over like that. So I said, huh, how'd that TV get blowed over like that? I said, well, okay, I'm just going to go and move the van. Okay, lo and behold, look, what in the hell do you call that? Well, that TV was sitting on top of that white cooler lid, just up past, right about in there somewhere. She grabbed the cooler lid, grabbed the TV rolled off, and she drove it over here, parked it, sat here, parked it right there, and didn't even hear it. No, she said, oh, it's making a weird noise when she wouldn't come home. It made a weird noise right at the very end. Weird noise? Yeah. Okay. Right there. There's your weird noise. The weird noise right at the end is when you come barreling up through this driveway right here, snagged the lid with the TV sitting on it that was sitting right there. You know, what the hell? Last time you drive my van. Well, okay, anyway, let me pull this back. I'll see y'all later.